Just a couple of announcements is just we do have a class evaluation. It would be great if folks could fill those out if you're meeting in person, if you could fill those out. And you may also receive it by email from Susan. So we would appreciate the feedback as we continue on here. Um, Other than that, today really is the day to hopefully wrap up the plans, get any questions answered, possibly get your plan reviewed if you're in that position, or be thinking about what are some next steps to wrap up your plan. And again, just a couple of notes that once you complete your plan in goCrop and it's been reviewed and approved, it needs to be printed and put in your binder. And that, again, is your completed nutrient management plan. What's in goCrop is not actually the whole NMP, right? So some of the maps and hard copies of soil tests, and some of the other pieces that are physical copies in your binder, plus the NMP reports from goCrop, are what make the complete nutrient management plan. And you need to keep a copy of that, the hard copy, in your binder at the farm. And if you are a farm that may be inspected by the Agency of Agriculture, you'll want to make sure you have that physical copy during your inspection. Okay, so make sure you get that and you have that completed. Last week, or over a week ago now, Lindsay talked about keeping records, and some of the components of the plan, you know, outside, or managing the plan outside of today. And, it is a requirement to keep the plan updated, and have current soil tests for the state of Vermont. So, as you get into implementing the plan, if you need any help with record keeping or updating the plan, you certainly can reach out to us or the folks that you've been working with most closely to develop the plan. All right, so with that, we're going to spend the rest of class trying to wrap up the plans. So we don't have a lot to really talk about, and maybe just gauging who has plans that are ready for review and ready for submission would be great. And you can unmute and just let us know. Well, we'll let folks get to work and let us know if you need anything.